Hey there, friends and followers. Welcome to the Deckhouse. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, luxury vacation rental located in the heart of downtown Fish Creek. The entire property has been extensively renovated, including the kitchen, all of the flooring, the living room. We added a beautiful accent wall, gorgeous water views out of the living room. Step outside onto the deck and you're greeted with an amazing view of the bay. Here is our main level queen ensuite bedroom with a full bath, beautiful tiled shower, new vanity, new paint, new everything. It's absolutely gorgeous. Here's our king bedroom on the main level with a beautiful accent wall and a full bath just across the hall. Come on upstairs. Super cozy seating area in the loft, and come down the hall and you will see 3 more bedrooms. On the left we have 2 twin XL beds with a reading nook in the corner, TV to be mounted. Across the hall we have a queen bedroom, mounted smart TV, wardrobe mirror, and a full bath just down the hall. Beautiful tiled shower. And just across from this bathroom we have a sauna. And come on into the primary bedroom upstairs, where we have a king bed, wardrobe mirror, gorgeous views, and an ensuite full bath with a beautiful tile shower, new vanity, gold fixtures. And the best part about the primary bedroom upstairs is this awesome private balcony. Check out this view. Visit freshcoastmotel.com for more info.